Hello, everyone, and welcome to the today's webinar on AI-powered web design, harnessing CollabAI and Lovable for effortless website creation. So, about the topic we have choose today, it's not only about new tools, it's actually the shift how we think about the building websites. Traditionally, website take weeks or even months to design, test, and refine. But with AI-powered platform like CollabAI and Lovable, that process comes down to like several minutes while actually increasing the creativity and personalization. So it is actually opening more ground to us. So in this session, I will go through what is Colab AI and why it matters, how AI agent work behind the scene, how prompt optimization makes website creation effortless, and finally, the real benefit we can expect using Colab AI and Lovable together. So before starting, I have a question for all of you. Like, how many of you experienced with AI tools like ChatGPT, Lovable, all this? Just put a message. We can talk later. So let me start with what is Colab AI. So this is the foundation, the Colab AI. So Colab AI is an open source self-hosted AI operation platform built specifically for small and medium-sized business. And it is actually hosted by yourself and you can keep the control of the data. So, and you are not locked into one AI provider. You can choose multiple AI provider like OpenAI, Cloudy, Gemini, DeepSeek, Flux, and others. And CollabAI is actually very ideal for sensitive industries like healthcare, finance, government, where data security is crucial. And it grow your business from the startup to enterprise level. And most importantly, it's actually lower cost compared to any SaaS AI tools, which is community driven and open source. So you can think CollabAI as your AI operating system, the foundation that lets you run everything securely. So what AI potential you are going to get from the CollabAI? That's the second point comes to the mind. So one of the biggest challenge business face nowadays is the data privacy. And with CollabAI, everything runs behind your firewall, which means you control your data completely. Since it's fully white label, you can brand it as your own. Means whenever you are asking for your own Collab AI, you actually can brand it in your name. Only this Collab AI is from us, the brand is from you. Then comes the fun part, the AI model. Most of the SaaS platform users can use one AI model. Let's say the ChatGPT, then ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloudy, DeepSeek. But in Collab AI, you can have multiple AI models. Like you have the ChatGPT, Cloudy, DeepSeek, and most of the model they are providing is in one under one umbrella. And this is the another thing CollabAI is offering. And not only that, you actually can have integration and automation with the Gmail, Outlook, Google Drive, Slack, HubSpot, project management platforms, N18 automation with a click. If I want to put an example, you have a N18 automation, um, and in our CollabAI platform, we are giving you access to put your API, and you can connect it with your AI agent, which will work properly. So by now you already hearing me using the AI agent, a term, so many times. So what is it for a new person or even a person who is already with the industry already should hear the term AI agent. But let me explain it a bit. So AI agent kind of is a digital teammate. It's not just there to answering question, it's actually to perform a regular task or repetitive task. And how it's actually work is actually understand the text, data, or voice, because it's actually listen to the request we are sending. And the second thing it do is the reasoning. With the uses of AI model already predefined in the agent, it actually figure out the best approach and act accordingly if there is any tool or any execution of task is related. Learn and adapt. It's actually get smarter over the day. It's not like a normal chatting with the AI, because in normal prompting, you when you ask a question, it give you answer. But when you're doing it with the AI agent, it's actually learning your pattern. So that's another thing. So here comes the next point, like why we choose the topic of CollabAI and Lovable. What's the reason? Everyone is excited, I believe. So Lovable and CollabAI takes the web design to the next level. Let me explain you a little bit. We all know the challenges of AI because prompting means the approach of you with the AI will give you the best result you want. But as a new user or a non-coder or a non-developer perspective, it's actually hard for someone to build a website with one good prompt. And here comes the CollabAI agent. So your idea is there, and CollabAI agent will help you to give you the best prompt. And not only that, it will also help you to get a proper documentation of the requirement your website is going to need. And it will also give you the ready prompt for Lovable. You just need to copy and paste it to the Lovable website, and the website is ready. And the best part is it actually can convert client requirement into the precious specification within a minute. It actually saves lots of time if you can do the prompting properly. But if you cannot, then CollabAI agent is there. So here's a little bit example of the agent built by our agent building team. You can see that is actually trained and instructed to give you the best prompting, the best result from your idea. So here is example where I ask that I just need to create a personal portfolio website. That's just one line. And it actually give me, if you see in the left side, that it actually give me a list of requirement gathering for your documentation. You just can do it. And in the right side, you can see it's actually giving you the general app structure. You just need to copy paste it in your Lovable, and within a minute, Lovable will give you the best website within one prompt. Like you see the requirement. You no need to write all those things. The AI agent is there. And you can ask like, okay, I understand everything you're saying, but what's the point? Like, what's the benefit of using AI in web design, website creation? Do I need it or why I need it, right? So website that takes weeks now can build in minute. That's the main thing of AI. AI suggests layout, color, styles that we actually never even imagine. Because when you are creating a website from scratch, you might not be a designer, you might not be a developer. So not everything will be in your mind, but AI is there for you. And a non-developer can also create a website if he know how to create the prompting properly. And as it's actually giving you multiple version quickly, you can refine it. And it's actually saving money because when time is money and it is reducing the development time, let's say 5% can build a website in week, but now anyone can build a website within 5 minutes. So that's the Lovable we are talking about, like what it is. So Lovable is a AI-powered website builder that create professional, responsive, by default website just with a simple idea or prompt. That is I was talking about. But as a free version of it, you have some limitation. So the prompt count is there, and that is why we are suggesting you need a proper AI agent who will convert your idea into better prompting, which will make sure that you are getting the best result out of less prompting from Lovable. So Lovable is there to create the website instantly. It is no code friendly. Let's say you don't understand the coding, it's fine. You can review the layout is there. You can modify it by just typing your thoughts. And by default, it's responsive. That's the main thing. Lots of time, the websites are not responsive. And you actually can deploy it within a minute. You don't need to rely on other deployment sites. So Lovable is giving you a lot of life easier things, I would say. And here's the link that you can explore Lovable. Okay, so the screenshot I shared earlier, it is from this agent. Like I just said, they give me a prompt Lovable to create a simple, attractive portfolio personal site. And as you can see that it actually give me a proper documentation before giving me the prompt, the core requirements of a website, the hero section, about me, footer, navigation, the design layout, what extra it can be, even the technical guideline, even the AI assistant if you feel that you need it. And you see sample Lovable prompt, you just copy and paste it, it's ready. So let's not use it. So let's try one more thing. So I give a prompt that I want to create an interactive, simple website for the most of the user, and it's just a coffee shop. So let's see how our agent gonna help us. Okay. So primarily you can see that who will be my, is actually asking me to have the better prompting, that who will be my main user, my business objective, my compliance, what stack I prefer, is special features, and the some, if I can give those, he will give me the, so let's give it to it. So as you can see that it's giving me the core requirement, the feature it will have, and all the technicals. So basically, at first, it will give you the documentation ready requirement, which is really needed. Because whenever you are in a call with client, let's say, and you have understand 50% of the requirement, you just need to give your idea to this agent, and it will give you a proper documentation, what you missed and what can be there. And you just can tell the client. So as you can see, that our agent already give us the interactive coffee shop single page website, and the name is up to you, we can do it later, but you can see the core requirement is there, the feature is there, the technicals, example, and the example prompt is there. So let's copy it and go to the Lovable, and you just need to copy paste it. So as you can see in the left side top, that it actually giving a name already to your website. It's saying the preview have. S- It's thinking for a few minutes, it's creating all the necessary files. Life is getting easier with the AI. That's the proof in front of you. Before you need to go to the client, you need to sit with them. They give you the requirement. Then you come, make a documentation, go to the PMs, then go to the developers. They do the work for weeks, maybe months. Then the website comes up. Then you go to the client. Then client give you the requirement that, okay, change it. I need something else, add it. So it takes a long time and lots of changes, costing, resource, time is there. But now the life is like this. You go to the AI agent, pre-built it can be, or you can train your AI agent as you want, then create the prompting, copy paste it to the website, and it will give you another website. So let's wait for a bit while it's creating all the important files and the design. And not only that, this Lovable, when you are using the Pro version, you can download the code base and you can edit it locally in your system. If you understand, then you can use another AI tools like Cursor, other code editors to work whatever the way you want. So the world is giving you everything. You just have to know that how you are using it, how you are utilizing it. Are they saving my time, or how I am saving the time? Maybe a little bit more time, then we will able to see it. Now it's creating the footer, so almost there. It's interesting to see this as a developer because we also work from section by section, like from top hero section, then the banner section, then the mid, then the footer. It also using the same template style, a developer thinks. And sometimes for the big websites, we also have to think that how we can connect the database and all those hassle. N- The super base is there from the Lovable. You just can click on it and it will just edit with your website wherever it's needed. And you can see in the right top corner, the GitHub is there. So when you are logging with GitHub, you actually can get their code base in your GitHub. It will be there for you. So you can make it open source. You can. So it's taking a little bit more time and it's loading. Here we go. Our website is ready. And there is a button to preview the website. And it actually giving you a URL. Can you imagine? I just type one line, the AI agent give me the prompt, and here's the website. You see how interactive it is. I even don't talk about the colors or anything. Your website is ready. Its interactive website is ready within a minute. Look at it, how beautiful it is, like the color combination. And everything is there to start your new journey. You just can work little bit on the functionality and then you are good to go. Just see, it's like 90% ready website is there. So now this is the future. This is the where we have to utilize AI to increase our productivity, get the best outcome from it by utilizing more tools. Here I just showcase you only one, the CollabAI, one agent and Lovable to create the website. There are 100 more works AI can now help us with.